Scope numbers are a way for companies to measure their greenhouse gas emissions. Let's break down where these carbon footprints actually come from. To understand corporate impact, we categorize emissions into 3 distinct buckets, known as scopes, based on who controls the activity. The Greenhouse Gas Protocol defines these 3 scopes to ensure companies capture their entire environmental footprint, from direct operations to supply chains. Scope 1 is what the company burns directly. Scope 2 covers purchased power. Scope 3 includes everything else, like travel and raw materials. The main difference is control. Companies have direct influence over Scope 1, while Scope 2 and 3 require working with partners and suppliers. For most industries, Scope 3 represents the largest share of total emissions. Measuring it is complex but vital for a full picture. These numbers provide transparency, allowing investors and consumers to compare how different companies manage their environmental responsibilities over time. Understanding these scopes helps you see the bigger picture of corporate sustainability. Check back for more finance basics. Thanks for watching.